Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Candy here with an eyelash tutorial. So we're using eye pencil, eyeliner, lashes, eyelash glue, some tweezers, either this one or the lash fixing tool, and some angled scissors and some mascara. To start off, I'm lining my waterline with some black pencil and my top lash line with some eyeliner. I'm not doing anything dramatic, just something for my lashes to sit on. After I'm done doing that, I'm going to apply some mascara to both my top and bottom lashes as well, because you don't want any, if you had eyeshadow, they will fall out and they would dirty your lashes. So I'm going to use this pair of lashes and I'm going to use my tweezers to pick them up neatly from their sitting place. Next thing is to put them on my real lashes and kind of like measure how long they should be. So once you apply it onto your own lash line and you look up and you see any excess extending from your own lashes, you're going to cut that excess part out, and always cut from the outer part, please, not the inner part. As you can see, I'm cutting from the ending. That's the longer part, right? So after cutting that part, I'm also going to cut the one for the lower lashes as well, because I measured and they were too long. Next thing is to apply a very thin coat of eyelash glue onto your lash band. Try and be very careful with this as well, and make sure to focus more on the two outer parts of the lashes. That's the inner and outer corner. You want to make sure to apply more glue on those parts so they can stick well. Also apply onto the lower lashes and leave them for at least 30 seconds so that they can get tacky. Look at me testing. Once it feels like that, yes, you can now apply it. And then you're going to look down, tilt your head backwards and look down into your mirror. I have very curly lashes, so I have to look down. Use the false ones to press on the real ones and then stick them on from center, and then I stick the outer and inner corner in. I don't know if you guys got that, but kindly rewind if you didn't get that. Please make sure that as you're applying, they are as close to your real lashes as possible, so that when you look up, there won't be that annoying demarcation between both the top and the bottom, like your real and fake lashes. No, you want them to look as together as possible. I'm also going to apply the lower lashes by looking up and applying them under my real lashes. And when I'm done, I'm going to use the bottom of the tweezers to press them and then use some mascara to coat them as well. Now you can also use some liner to hide any glue if it's showing too much, or to perfect your liner. Now I'm going to use this other pair of tweezers and I'm going to use it to press my real and fake lashes together, so that when I open my eyes, I would not have the demarcation. It would look so sandwiched that you won't be seeing any difference. I'm going to use the mascara now to coat and join my lower lashes together with the fake lashes I also applied there. And that's really it. Let me know if you guys learned something today, and kindly comment down below what kind of tutorials you want to see. If you want to see how I created this makeup, I'm going to put up a card or an end screen, and I hope you guys can check that out as well. I'll see you guys in my next video.